Hey, if crocheting's bad, I don't want to be good. I don't think you want to be good either, so let's be naughty together. Hi, this is Crochet and Fiber. My name is Sig, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a yarn haul that I got from Pirate and Wool. It's a company out of Germany. Yeah, I'm a little frustrated. I went through, I did a video where I unboxed everything, I revealed everything, I showed you everything while it was still in its hank. And well, somehow, some way, I managed to delete my video. So today we're going to do things just a little differently. I only realized that I had deleted my video after I rewound all the hanks. So in today's video, you're going to see the hanks, or rather the yarn, in its wound form, in its cake form. And so that's going to give you a little bit of a different perspective in terms of colorway. So the company, I've never worked with this company before, and I was thinking in terms of, possible advent calendar kinds of alternatives, because we're always looking for these sorts of things. And I came across Pirate and Wool because they offered like surprise bags, right? So this is one of the reasons why I was so disappointed to have lost that video, because I was opening it up with you, and well, yeah, no matter, the yarn's beautiful, just giving you a heads up. At any rate, this company does surprise bags. And in these surprise bags, you can really get a good deal. So for example, they offer 5 skeins of yarn, mystery yarn, and each skein is 100 grams. And that will come in well under $100, or at least it did when I ordered these things a couple of months back. Also, they have a 5 skeins of 100 grams of their premium yarn for just a few more dollars, a little more expensive because, well, it's their premium yarn. And then they have their larger mystery bag, and that larger mystery bag offers 10 100-gram hanks. So that's really quite nice, especially if you're doing a bunch of socks, or you really want that sock yarn and you want enough yarn to actually make a pair of socks. Well, 100 grams isn't going to be quite enough. But if you pair the 100 grams of that one colorway with maybe one of your other little minis that you have lying around that you don't really know what to do with, you can get a whole pair of socks. And so the price is really quite good. I'm going to just give you a heads up right now. I got a really good deal on this, and so I'll share the price with you at the end of the video. So if you just want to know the price, jump ahead to the end. Otherwise, stick around and we're going to talk yarn. Now, this company is out of Germany. It's a small business. Their yarn is supposed to be hand dyed. Now, I'm not entirely sure that they do the hand dyeing there or not. I really couldn't get a feel for it. Some of the things that I thought was kind of strange about the company was that they gave me like pages and pages of terms and conditions to read through, which I thought was kind of weird and silly. And then I needed to agree to it or accept it. Maybe it's just a Germany thing. I don't purchase too much from Germany, and this was the first time I experienced that. So that was kind of weird, but no harm, no foul. Everything worked out great and just fine. Another thing with this company is keep in mind that you may or may not get your order quickly. So if you're going to do this for a winter holiday gift and you're going to incorporate it into, let's say an advent calendar for a loved one or even for yourself, and you want something that's going to be a mystery and you're going to get a lot of it for a much more affordable price than what you're going to spend on a standard advent calendar, make sure you give yourself a little bit of time just in case. You might get your package super quick and you might have to wait a few weeks for it. I don't know that there's a hard and fast rule that they give you as to how long you're going to get your package. That's just a little heads up. I had to wait a little longer than I expected to, but it's okay because I was really happy with what they gave me. So as you can see, as is my typical way, I purchased this product off of Etsy. And they have a lot of other things. So if you don't want one of their mystery bags, just look through all the different yarn they have available, and the price is fairly reasonable for what it is. You're looking at probably spending around, individually around $20 for 100 grams of hand-dyed yarn, rather than what you might spend with another hand-dyed company that's going to charge you usually in the neighborhood of about $32. So you can still save a little bit of money. They have this amazing range of colors that you can see right here, the colorways. They have a few different sorts of bases that they work with, so that's really nice. Also, they do have a small selection of roving yarns. So for those of you who spin your own yarn or like to just work with regular roving wool because you do the wool art, this is something you might check them out for too. Now, I didn't notice that they had a very large variety, but they still offer some stuff. Another thing they offer, which I thought was kind of different, but really kind of nice, they have a real selection of interesting fragrances and scents of soaps. They have handmade soaps that they also offer for sale. And I didn't think the price was outrageous, and the soaps looked quite intriguing. I didn't buy any because I don't need it, but I thought I'd share that with you in case that was something you might be interested in pursuing yourself, or just to know the different variety of things this company happens to provide. So the yarn I got, as I said before, I purchased the 10 100-gram skeins. And the colorways were really quite nice. Everything I got was a sock yarn. It's a variety of sock yarns, but everything's 100 grams. And so let me show you the colorways that I got. So it's like really worth it, right? I wasn't unhappy at all. So the first colorway that I got is this right here. This beautiful, it's kind of blues and purples and maroons. It's it's pretty. It's nice. I mean, I think it's a good man's sock color. I think it's a good woman's sock color. So I think it just hits all the buttons all the way around. Now, the next colorway that I got is another beautiful yarn. I really like it. It's this lovely gray, right? And then you see these speckles of purples and violets and some blues in there. It's really quite nice. It's a pretty subtle color. I think this would actually make, a beautiful set of socks, especially if you're doing kind of a lacy sock. I think this is also a beautiful color, like possibly even in a sweater if you had enough of it. So I was really pleased with this colorway. Next, I got this beautiful green colorway. Look at that. You see it's got little flecks of orange and blue in it, but it's mostly greens. So that's another colorway that's going to work up just beautifully. So far you can see why I'm not unhappy with this company at all. And I think they would make a great advent calendar if you were thinking in terms of making your own advent calendar, again, for somebody else or for yourself. Here's this lovely cream color. So it has like these little kind of burnt orange specks in it, some green specks and some yellow specks. Again, it's a lovely neutral base with just a little bit of color to make it interesting. And this, again, would make a great pair of socks. Pair it with maybe some semi-solid color way of anything you might have in your stash. I have another green here. It's like almost a mossy green. It's sort of similar to the last green that I showed you, except the colorway is a lot more muted. So let me just show you the two of them together. So you can see that I could even work these two together in a piece and I would be particularly happy with the outcome, especially if I'm working in terms of a gradation. Next, I have this yellow colorway. It's kind of yellow. It has the same yellows that came in the first one. And this one has that same kind of neutral tone, back tone. And so again, I could actually pair these two together and they would work out nicely. Maybe not as nicely as the greens, but these could be very, very complementary to each other. So that was another thing that I thought was kind of nice. I don't know if they did it on purpose, if they meant to do it, or if it was just a happy coincidence. But most of the yarn that I got in my package, I had at least 2 skeins of yarn that would work just lovely together. So like take the gray and the blue, right? So those would be great together too. So the possibilities are really quite a bit. Now that was the first 5 that I received. Let me show you the next 5 that came in my package. Or I should say 4, maybe I'll learn to count. But also to give you a heads up, what this company did was they sent me 2 separate packages, each with a count of 5 in it. So I think that's kind of how they do it. I ordered the 10 pack, but I got the 2 5-packs, right? Because I'm sure they send mostly out the 5 packs. So again, I got this, it's sort of like a dusty rose color with again, you know, your typical specks in it. A little bit of cream color, a little bit of blue going on in there, kind of a teal blue. And then I got this subtle pinky color. So that's nice. That'll work. I can already see lots of uses for this in a flowery motif, I think. Then I got this solid standard blue. I'm not sure if it was supposed to be a semi-solid color or not because it's so slightly variegated. It's hard for me to tell if this was supposed to be a semi-solid and just didn't quite make the grade, or if they really meant it to be a super subtle gradation of this blue. Either way, it's a beautiful blue yarn, and I am thrilled, of course, to have it in my stash. And then next, I have this more, oh, we've got blues and teals and pinks and sort of creamy white colors in there. It really reminds me of something out of the 80s. Now, this is probably my least favorite of the colorways. So if there's only one colorway in my entire package that wasn't really actually my favorite, you know, where I'm not really sure what I'll do with it, but I'm sure I'll do something with it. I mean, this is like a lovely, like little girl kind of a colorway to work with. Yeah, wouldn't you agree? So yeah, so this is awesome. I was quite impressed, and everything weighed at least 100 grams to 115 grams when I weighed it out. So that made me very happy too, because you know, I got at least 100 grams for each skein, and some skeins were just a little bit heavier, and that's super okay. So for my mystery bag of 10 100-gram skeins, I was charged $150. So what does that break that down? That breaks them down to about $15 a skein. So that's really not bad, especially for hand-dyed yarn that is a really very decent merino wool sock base yarn. But my price was even better actually because I got a little bit of a discount. So I got a shop discount of $15. So they gave me 10% off. And then they also gave me free shipping. So I saved, $23, $24 total. So my grand total for 10 100-gram skeins of this really good merino sock yarn came to a total of $135. Now, with the world being the way it is, you might pay a little more. The price I'm giving you was what I paid a couple of months ago. But for those of you who are looking for a larger quantity, at least 100 grams each of a good sock yarn base or a fingering weight base yarn that is really quality, and the colorways are something you're going to be happy with. It's just not the crap that they can't give away with sometimes you receive in these mystery bags. I think this is well worth it, because after the discounts, everything drops down to about $13 a skein. $13 for a hand-dyed yarn. Now, that is something I can get behind, and that's why that is something I have brought to you. I think it's a wonderful and affordable way to really try out and enjoy hand-dyed yarn, especially for the holidays or just a gift for somebody who enjoys knitting or crocheting or weaving. Yeah, so I'm sorry I didn't get to show you, how fun it was to open up this package and be surprised. And I'm sorry I didn't get to show you what these colorways looked like before they were wound into cakes. But I am still quite happy that I was able to share this yarn with you, my yarn haul, for a fairly reasonable price, something to think about. All right. I'm so glad that we spent this time with each other this week. I'm looking forward to seeing you next week. I hope you have a most wonderful weekend, and we will talk soon. Bye-bye now.